Spicing up your language. Idiomatic expressions in academia. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the fascinating world of idiomatic expressions, particularly those commonly used in academic and professional settings. Idiomatic expressions are phrases whose meanings cannot be deduced simply from the meanings of the words they contain. They often provide an eloquent way to convey ideas and concepts. Stick with us, and you'll soon be peppering your academic and professional discussions with these gems. Idiomatic expressions are fixed phrases or sayings that have a figurative, not literal, meaning. These phrases are often culturally specific and can be confusing to non-native speakers. For example, "It's raining cats and dogs" doesn't mean that cats and dogs are falling from the sky, but that it's raining heavily. In academic and professional contexts, idiomatic expressions can help make your language more engaging and meaningful. However, they must be used appropriately and sparingly. Now let's move on to some of the most common idiomatic expressions used in academia and the professional world. 1. The ball is in your court. This phrase means that it's your turn to take action or make the next move. It's often used in discussions where responsibility is being assigned or when a response is expected. 2. Back to the drawing board. If you have to go back to the drawing board, it means you need to start a task all over again because the current approach isn't working. It's frequently used in project discussions. 3. Touch base. When you touch base with someone, you get in contact with them. This phrase is commonly used in business settings where regular updates are necessary. Remember, the key to using these expressions effectively is to understand their meanings and contexts. Only use them if they add value to your message. While idiomatic expressions can enrich your language, they should be used with care. Remember the following points. Use idioms that are relevant to your topic and familiar to your audience. The wrong idiom or one that is obscure can confuse your audience. Don't overuse idioms. An overload can distract your audience from your main point. Always consider the formality of the situation. Some idioms are more informal and might not be suitable for highly formal academic or professional settings. And there you have it, folks. We hope this video has shed some light on the common idiomatic expressions in academic and professional contexts and how to use them appropriately. Don't forget, while idioms can add flavor to your language, their usage should always enhance clarity and comprehension. So, put on your thinking cap, and start incorporating these idiomatic expressions into your language toolbox. Until next time, keep learning and growing.